Pseudo-room dark mode sessions happen in the dark of the night as we turn all the lights off. Dark mode is pretty open.
Yes.
It involves people doing things with light projectors, lenses. We even had someone doing a lava lamp. And it's an open workshop to test all things that glow in the dark. There's a big video DJ scene that uses Touch Designer software, and people also have Touch Designer workshops.
Some of them don't work as well. These ones all work pretty well.
Since we have a lot of musicians and we even build instruments, dark mode naturally has people mixing like projections and music, or music alone. Here our member Judy is messing with a Kinect experiment linked to Touch Designer. It's really cool, like you can use your body to create motion and images. I think they were even hooking up to an instrument.
Oh, that's the
It's wild to think that 10 or 15 years ago, this was considered crazy science fiction technology, and it wasn't really readily available to artists or creatives.
Oh, cool.
But now we can do it on minimum budget and show it off to each other on a sheet projected. Hackers are so resourceful. It's cool that we can do things on a minimum budget, and we don't require a fancy nightclub, research lab, or a big government super duper secret place to do these cool experiments. There's so much you could do if you just have the right know-how and grit. Even microscopes are low cost now and done with USB. I don't think you could see it very well here, but I know, it's really cool, all this crazy technology being used for open and free expression. It's scary almost how multi-purpose a computer has become. You can use it as a microscope, and I think he's examining the pixels on his phone. These get really high-tech and zoom in pretty close now.
Oh, so you're microscoping your skin?
Here we're taking a look at, I think Judy's skin.
Skin cancer detection?
Again, it's a USB microscope.
What's this dirt? Is this
We were joking that it's like really wild. You can just, with a very small budget, go and examine people for skin cancer or make cool skin microscope art. But this just required a lot more equipment before and a lot more unwieldy. I wonder what cool creative project we can make around a microscope in this.
Yeah, I'll help you. I've got radiation.
This is a timed photo. So it's actually Judy running across back and forth in the room with this big wand that makes images. Here's more Touch Designer and music. Come to our next dark mode. Come experiment with us. We want to see you get wild and creative, doing a lot with very little.
That'd be really super creative.